Good morning everyone. Ayan. Puntawi na kami papunta sa aking doktor sa may General Hospital sa may Auckland, Bishop Auckland General Hospital mga guys. Dahil appointment ko ngayon at ibibigay nila daw yung procedure para sa aking endoscopy sa Wednesday. Kaya mag-travel kami ng 1.5 hour mga guys papunta doon. Kasi medyo malayo-layo kasi mga guys dito sa aming tinitirhan dito sa may Caravan mga guys. Kaya ayan, i-update ko kayo kung ano ang namin doon mga guys. Tara, mag-travel muna tayo. So ayan na nga guys, nandito na kami sa parking lot ng hospital at pupunta na kami sa loob.
Hmm? You can't play with phones in this place. It's a hospital. You're not allowed to play with phones in the hospital. It's a big no-no.
Sign the finger. I just did.
Where?
What?
There.
The Wi-Fi is very bad.
You just have to get internet put in the house.
So ayan na nga mga guys, nandito na kami sa sa town kung saan kami lilipat sa after 2 weeks or 3 weeks ganon, dahil hindi pa nila ibinigay sa amin yung susi. Pero sure na mga guys, nalilipat na kami ng bahay dahil priority nila kasi dahil may mga bata kami at isa pa may mag-aaral na itong isa. Kaya salamat naman sa Diyos dahil pinagbigyan niya yung yung dasal namin. At ayan guys, dito yung yung place kung saan kami lilipat. Ayan, titingnan namin yung bahay. Ito yung no dogs allowed. Parang may tubig na dyan ah. Meron akong naririnig na tubig. Puno, ayan. Ayan, tubig oh. Meron din tubig dito. Ayan mga guys. Dapat kayam karayan na dito oy. May woohoo! This is the mountain.
This is literally 3 minutes drive from where we live.
See, I told you before that we are coming here, but
We'll have snow at Christmas.
Yay!
And we'll get tons of snow up here. You'll be able to play with, you'll be able to make snowmen because we'll get tons of see. There's a baby lamb. Baby lambs in there.
Daming
See?
mga
In there?
ano.
Oh no, you can't see. Here, some baby lambs here. See?
Yeah. Steward
See
here.
them? There,
Daming
bouncing
mga
the sun.
tupa.
See, whenever we're hungry, just pop out of the car, straight in the back, in the boot.
How? I want to be friends with it.
And we'll get it in the yard, you get a big butcher's knife and wallop.
No, I'll
Johnny along.
They like grass. A dog?
You want a dog? We can't have a dog. I might be get a height. Mum will be alright with him.
Hypoallergenic.
Hypoallergenic, the people that aren't allergic to dogs. Nope, baby lamb across the road. You know, there's all these sheep and all your mum's taking pictures with big grass. There are all the sheep by the side of the road, your mum's just taking pictures of the grass.
There's a dog in there. That dog smells in there.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda. It's so beautiful.
That's a dead one.
Dead.
Dead sheep.
Lang. Daming mga ano to pa oh.
A baby lamb again.
Why do you not take it?
There's another one. Because people hit them, don't they? And then they...
What did you say?
Because it was the dead sheep there, man.
Oh my gosh. I can't hear you.
We are in paradise.
I didn't lamb again.
Our place is paradise.
No, I said there's a dead sheep. The monster sheep.
Ang view naman. Katuwa.
Oh, there's one on the road. Oh, we out, we out, we out, we out, we out there.
Look at the sky.
Panira.
I went to the sky island. I went. It didn't live there. Yeah, it lived. You know what happened?
Calm down.
Yeah. Ow! It's loud.
Labour has expelled its former leader, Jeremy Corbyn, after he announced he would stand as an independent in Islington North. Paula Bennell says that she worked as hard as she could to deliver the best post office for the UK. The company's former boss has been giving evidence to the Horizon IT inquiry. Hundreds of branch managers who were
I don't want to go down there.
was cleared today. And documentary maker
I don't want to go
Robert
down
died at the age of 53. The Oscar nominee at McDonald's.
Oh, sheep on the road. Lamb's on the road.
Look at the.
Aksidente kayo.
Welcome to Lamp Street.
Your bike up there.
I'm going down.
Ang lalaki na ng aking mga pichay. Kukunin ko na kayo mamaya at aking igigisa. Yan na yung nalagyan ng bitchin. Ayan, di ba? Oh. Ayan. Yung nalagyan ng bitchin. Yung inanuhan ko ng bitchin. Ayan, malalaki na sila. Ayan. Ang sarap. Kukunin ko yan mamaya at aking uulamin. Ayan na sila mga guys, oh. Ang tataba na, oh. Naglaon na yung sili. Ayan, oh, yung sili ko. Oh. Yung mga okra ayun, oh, sumusibol na, ayun. Ayun. Mga okra, lumabas na sila. Yun din. Ay, kukunin na namin yung nilabhan namin kasi naglaba kami ngayon. Kanina. At kukunin na namin. Magtatambay kami doon sa labas ng karaban. Kasi maganda ang araw. Ayan o mga guys. Ayan, ang ganda ng araw ngayon. Maaraw. Kaya lahat ng tao dito sa karaban na naman, nagtatambay-tambay na naman sila sa garden. Ayan, ang ganda ng puno. Oh. Ang ganda. Ayan si Iris. Ayan, tumubo na naman yung mga grass. Kakakater lang nila no isang araw yan, oh. Ayan, nagsitubuan na naman. Ito yung laundry nila dito. Habang hindi pa tapos ang aming labahin mga guys, kami ay walking muna ni Iris.
I won't go in that mud.
Titignan namin yung mga dito mga flowers, oh, ang dami. Ang daming mga flowers.
Mommy, look, it looks flat.
Dami nila, may purple,
Is that
may
a wasp?
yellow. What, baby?
Is that a wasp?
Where?
There, that's floating
Where?
in the air. Here,
Yeah?
it went there.
Oh, wala na yung
I think it's
yung
going
flowers
home.
na nakita ko dati dito. Ang ganda, green na green
In
talaga.
laundry basket.
Green na talaga ang aming mga surroundings.
I need to put this in your pocket. Because I don't
Ayun, ang
have
mga halaman, mga guys. Ay, mga bulaklak. Nandun pa sila. Yan, oh.
You
Ito yung mga sinasabi kong mga
don't touch the mud.
sinasabi ko noon na fern. Hindi pala siya fern, hindi pala siya pako. Iba pala siya, ayan. Hindi pala siya pako mga guys. O, iba siya.
Mommy, come on.
Kaya pala hindi nila kinukuha na kinakain dahil hindi pala siya totoong pako. Ang dami, oh.
Mommy, come on.
Ayun yung mga pinicturan ko dati na at saka binidyohan ko na mga flowers. Dito, ayan. Ito si Iris. Ang ganda na. Ang ganda maglakad-lakad kasi yung mahangin lang mga guys, mahangin. Pero maganda yung araw, matirik. Tirik ang araw. Kaya maganda ang lalabas ngayon. Sana, kaso lang, may ginagawa kasi si Dada. Pinipilapan niya yung visa application ko para maipasa ka agad doon sa immigration at ma-issuean na ako ng visa. What's that, baby? Yeah, there is insect everywhere. Na iwan si Stewart doon kasi ayaw niyang lumabas. At ito ang isang tinatanong ko sa asawa ko kung iyan ba ay maulam. Ayan, oh. Kasi ang tataba nila mga guys, lalo na nung bagong tubo. So, para siyang ng carrots. Parang ang sarap igisa. Yan pala yung mga bulaklak na na puti na yan, oh. Ito pala yan. Ito pala siya. Yan pala ang bulaklak
Mommy,
niya.
don't step on the mud, you know.
Yeah, I know, baby. Ang dami, oh. Hindi pa sila nagsibulaklak. At babalik na kami, guys. Baka natapos na ang aming laundry. Kaya, thank you for watching. Bye-bye! God bless you all! Shout out po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-subscribes at nag-likes at nag-comments sa aming mga videos. Thank you, thank you! God bless!